we're gonna deploy an environment using a custom template. The custom template is for a Flask based application using a Postgres as a database. The template resides under my GitHub account under main branch. My GitHub account is already connected. The template is fairly easy to use. We can see the description of it. We have two components, the backend for the Flask app and the database, which is a Postgres database version 15.3. We're gonna create our environment. Let's say development. We're gonna select the demo project. And also for this template, I decided to use an environment variable as for the database password. So here we can see that the default value is not set. Therefore, the user can set whatever value it wants for the database password. We're gonna save it. The variables are encrypted within Bunnyshell. That's nice. The value has been set. Moving further, we can deploy our environment. So let's hit deploy. We're gonna use the default Bunnyshell cluster. Also, the URL handle is being set by the template within the configuration. Here is the URL handle and the database password. But let's check the application. The application is a simple one. I will just start the application on my local machine. It's based on a Docker Compose file. As a database, I'm using Postgres 15.3 Docker image, and also the application it's built using a Docker file. So the Docker file resides within the repository. Let me show you the Docker Compose. So it's a simple Docker Compose file. It has two services, the backend and the database. You can choose to add volumes or not. And the application looks like this. It's a simple web app that provides a search functionality within the database. For example, I can search for Kubernetes objects, being pods, services, or replica sets. Doesn't matter. The database is populated at the startup using a init script. And let's check our deployment. We can check the status of the pipeline. Currently, Bunnyshell it's deploying our components. As I said, the template is based on a Docker Compose file, and it's interesting because the Docker Compose resources are fully managed by Bunnyshell. We can check that the environment has been deployed successfully. Let's check the URL. Is the one defined in the template, dev-kubelingo. Let's check the functionalities. Let's check a deployment. Also a pod. So the functionality is there. The template is very easy to use, and it's for a Flask and Postgres stack. And basically that's it. Thank you very much.